Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you one of my favourite tricks, and I call this the intuition card trick, and this will blow people's minds. It's an absolutely amazing effect. It will fool a lot of people. So what you're going to do is first you're going to get two jokers, present them any way you want. And my two jokers call Miguel and Gustavo, and I want you to go ahead and say stop wherever you want. Here, that's fine by me. We're going to cut right there, and your card is going to be the Ace of Hearts. That card right there. We're going to place it right in the centre. Leave it right there. Going to give the packs a mix. Just like that. So I can really lose your card, okay? I'll even give it another cut. And once you've given it this lovely little cut, you can be assured I can't know where that card is. I'm not going to find your card. You are going to find your card, and I'll tell you how. I'm going to use these two jokers. One of them is called Miguel and the other one's called Gustavo. And you're going to cut anywhere in the pack. And my two jokers, I'm going to snatch a card out from where you cut. You just leave it open for a few seconds, okay? Cut anywhere, absolutely anywhere. Go. There you go. So obviously the normal spectator cuts. But yeah, it's one card, and that card is the Ace of Hearts. That is probably one of the neatest tricks on there. That is such a good trick. So, let's get on and see how it's done then. Okay, so this trick is really very easy. It's like beginner sort of stuff, not even... It's really, really easy stuff. Obviously, you don't have to execute few moves, but these moves are really basic stuff. So you're going to get two jokers, name them whatever you want, and you're going to present them in a flashy way. So top shot, whatever you want. And you're going to name them, I call them again, Gustavo after my best friends. And they are going to, the spectators going to say stop wherever they want. So stop here, for example. And you're going to execute a double lift. So double lift is when you take two cards instead of one. Okay, so you're going to execute double lift. So execute any type of double lift you know. I'm not very good at my double lifts. I hope you guys are. See, sometimes I take three. But anyway, hell what? You take two cards instead of one. Alright, and mine are really obvious, but you take two cards instead of one. You show it as one, and you're going to place what they think is the 8 diamonds in the centre, but it's not because you just took off one card there. You place it right in the centre, and you're going to lose it in there. So they think that card's already in the centre, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to mix up the pack just once, preserving the card, obviously, on the top, just like that. You can do, if you want, a fake overhand shuffle, which I've already taught on this channel, my A-Can trick tutorial, and you've kept the card on the top. So if you think it's really lost in the middle, if you want you can add a false cut, any false cut I've already taught on this channel. And you're going to go over here. Now what you're going to do is you can divert their attention to this, and you're simply going to catch a pinky break. So what you're going to do is you're going to nudge over the top card, so their card, you're going to nudge it over, you're going to catch it in your pinky. And then your two jokers, you're going to place one on top, like that. And you're going to square it up with the one you had a pinky break on, okay? So again, catch a pinky break, nudge it over, catch that break. Take your joker, place it on top, square it up, okay? And this is really important. This one is going to go underneath. So automatically you have this card sandwiched in between the two, okay? So this one's going to go right underneath. It's going to catch you with this thumb. It's going to apply pressure, and your hand's going to be rock solid. Because otherwise, if you move, they're going to see that card. So your hand's going to be rock solid. So once again, card is on the top, push over, pinky break, square up, and then the other joker, come over, place that joker underneath, okay? So your thumb is reaching over diagonally, so you can easily pull that card down. So once you are in that position, where you have the two jokers like that, whatever, you're going to ask them to cut anywhere and hold it over 3 seconds. They can cut anywhere. And wherever they cut is quite basic. Wherever they cut, you will reach in and do that move. And when you do that really quickly, it looks like you snatched out the card, just really quickly, okay? So it looks like they've cut anywhere. Now, this is really annoying, but I did this to one of my dad's mates, alright? And he's I'm not gonna lie, he's quite funny. He's a really funny guy, and I really like him. But it was kind of annoying when I did this trick, because he clearly wanted me to sort of mess up in a way. And so what he did was he cut just one card. Did it really deliberately on one card. And if you do that and you come in and snatch, it really doesn't look like it. So be careful, keep an eye on where they're going to cut, because if they cut one card, be prepared to snatch up instead of snatching down. So it really looks like it. So obviously they're going to cut, you can snatch the card, they can look at this card, and it's like, what was your card? Let's say it was the 8 diamonds, boom. It's really good effect. Now, not only can you use this effect in that way, but this is literally a limitless effect. So let's say your card's the 8 diamonds, you've lost it in the center of the pack. But what you've done here is you do a double lift, and you place a card in the center, but you leave it sticking out. And this is the original trick. You're going to place, you're going to do your pinky break thing. You're going to catch it, and you're going to simply push this one and release that one, so it makes it look like just visually like teleported. It's absolutely insane. You can make it go through a table, you can do anything. You can even like make the card get lost in the pack, like this, wait. Like, show this card here. Place it really in the center, do your mixes, whatever. And once you've done all that, you can like... Eric Jones did this once. You catch your pinky break, you take your 2 jokers. It's like, what was your card? And they say whatever their card was. That was your card? Oh, that's good. And it will fool people. It's a very fooling trick when executed well. I've done this many times. I've fooled so many people. It's a great trick, one of my personal favourites. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.